Hi, my friends. Do you know that your words have a great power because they are exactly what you think? So, to be aware of what you are saying, be careful with your words. There'll be a great moment when you realize that you are saying things that you don't want because it means you are become more conscious and aware. When you are aware of your words, you will understand why your life is going the way it is. So change your words you use every day, or use the right words every day. So your life will gradually change, I promise. Many people often complain to me that how can they think about good things and use good words when their loved ones often say negative things? Oh, if you say so, just think like this. Before others speak up, you smile first. Before others criticize, you give them compliments first. So you should lead with positive things, no matter what situation is. Then I promise that your life will change from the moment you are that first person. You know, complaints have the ability to get into your thoughts unconsciously. Here are a few examples of complaints to help you realize how much they can get into your mind so you can figure out how to kick them out of your mind. For example, the weather is very bad today. Traffic is really bad today. Or the service is very bad here. Oh God, there are so many people in line. Or she's or he's always late. How long do we have to wait for the food? It is too hot in here. Or I'm waited for too long. Those complaints, I'm sure that we, you and me, say it almost every day or every week, and we see that it is not any serious problem. But you know what? It's the little things that you don't notice, but the law of attraction listen to all, not any exception. So the right thing is, you should always feel appreciated for something in any situations. Focus on the good things. That is the point. Always have something to be grateful for. I have a challenge for you, and for me also. Within the next 7 days, don't complain. I mean, if you are in a bad situation, or if you think up about something bad, stop doing it and think about the challenge. And I promise, if you do it, your life will change. Try to be the first one to say hello. Try to be the first one to smile. Try to be the first one to give compliments. And also try to be the first one to forgive. This is the last video of beautiful autumn this year. I have a partner today to record hurriedly every amazing corner of nature before it disappears. It takes me more than a week to finish this video, and right now, when you watch it, autumn is still here, but we already changed to winter jackets. Another season is on the way here.